S4 is caused by. It's M79 PGI 80 question. Choice A, atrial contraction. Choice B, papillary muscle action. Choice C, mitral valve bellowing. Choice D, turbulent blood flow. Answer A, it's atrial contraction. Fourth sound, S4. Rule A. For A, it's atrial diastolic gallop, also known as atrial diastolic gallop. For A, it's abnormal. It's always abnormal. For A, it's apex, heart at apex. For A, it's AV fistula and aneurysm, that is left ventricular aneurysm. For A, it's atrial sound, called as atrial sound, as in production requires effective atrial contraction. For A, it's active left ventricular filling when atrial contraction forces blood in abnormal or non-compliant left ventricle. For A, it's absent in atrial fibrillation. For A, accompanied by prominent A wave in JVP. Okay, thank you.